This is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos. Yes, French pronunciation videos, and I actually grew up in the city of Toulouse in the southwest of France, so I can tell you about it. Toulouse is a beautiful medieval city, at least the center, that is known for being a city where there's loads of aerospatial industry, including Airbus. All Airbuses, airplanes are assembled in Toulouse. So how do you go about pronouncing Toulouse with the typical French pronunciation? Well, it's pretty straightforward. It's a little bit like the English verb to lose, but you do not sort of insist on lose all that much. You just say Toulouse. Toulouse, with the typical French pronunciation, Toulouse. La ville de Toulouse, the city of Toulouse. Toulouse. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye bye.